Hello traders, FS Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar again, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly dollar yen, I still think this looks like a really big ABC correction. If this is a big ABC correction, this move up will make a lower high, most likely turning at one of these fib levels and end up continuing the downtrend. Now, like I've been saying for several weeks now, it looks like the yen pairs have a long ways to go to the upside, so this very easily could just keep on drifting up. And if it does, definitely not too big of a deal because right now we're going up in a way, so we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames in a ways. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first section down could be a wave one. I still am looking at this move up as possibly an ABC correction. So if it does make a big bounce off one of these fib levels and take out structure to the downside, that will tell me that it's the end of a wave C, the end of a wave two, and the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, on the other hand, it very easily could turn into a 1, 2, 3. If it does turn into a 1, 2, 3, it will just keep on drifting up. And luckily for us, it doesn't matter in a ways because we primarily should be looking for longs on shorter time frames in a ways. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like we're in a correction right now. It looks like an A, B, and C. I think we are going to go up again, and if it is a wave C, it definitely could bounce off to 61.8, ending a trend and continuing the downtrend. If it's not a wave C, like I said, it very easily could bounce off a fib level, but it will never take out structure, and instead it will just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks like a downtrend, like a wave A. This right here is actually pretty impulsive up, but I think there may be a wave B in there somewhere, and I think this is actually heading down to make a wave C before it actually goes back up, just like what I was showing on the daily time frame. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, definitely a little bit of a messy pattern, but I think there's a good chance this right here is the A, and this is three waves down for the B, and then this is a wave C with a lower high. This whole move down is probably an A, this whole move up is an A, B, C, or B, and I think this is actually more likely to just keep on trending down for that wave C. So if that's the case, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend, especially on the shorter time frames. The US dollar to me also looks like it's still going down, so I think this is more likely that it will continue the downtrend to finish off this wave C before it actually does make a move to the upside like what I was showing on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.